Welcome to this Ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia artifacts presentation. In this presentation, I will be telling you on some artifacts two artifacts from ancient Egypt and two artifacts from Mesopotamia. The artifacts in this presentation can be found at the Oriental Institute. The Striding Lion. The Striding Lion is an artifact from Mesopotamia. It is at the entrances at one of the palaces in one of the Mesopotamian cities. There were two striding lions. Each of them were on a wall. The striding lion is a really cool artifact to me because of the texture of this fur here. And I also like how they made this different from an original lion. Lamasu, a very tall statue of a god guarding the palace doors in a Mesopotamian city. It has three horns on each side, and that showed that it was a god. And it also had this really cool beard, and it had the body of a bull. And it has 5 legs, one here, and if you walked somewhere around here, you would see the 5th leg, the 3rd leg on the front. There were two of these also, and they were each at the entrance of a Mesopotamian city palace. Now time for something from Egypt. This is a mummy. In Egypt, when somebody died, if they could afford mummification, they would be mummified. Others were just thrown into the ground and buried with some of their items. This one was found somewhere in Egypt, and it had a really cool casing. And this was a woman. This is a woman's mummy. And some doctors took a picture, took an X-ray to see what was inside her mummy case. Then some other person made a picture of how her face would have looked like based off of the skeleton. What I really liked about this mummy was the casing. It had tons of colorful things on it. This is the statue of King Tut. When archaeologists first found this statue, they only found the top body part. All the legs were gone. And then a sculptor came and made the legs based off of other King Tut statues. This statue also included the wife, which got broken off at some time. This statue is very tall. It's around 18 feet tall. If you come really close up to it, it's very, very tall. And it doesn't look that tall in this picture. Thank you for watching this presentation on artifacts from ancient Egypt and ancient Mesopotamia.